engaged.
Hey y'all, so I haven't picked up the camera to vote. I haven't picked up the camera anytime this week. It's been pretty busy for me. Still like trying to prep for my vacation, and at work it's been busy. But I just wanted to stop by to say, you guys get out and vote. Every vote counts. I'll show you guys what this line is looking like. It is now like a little bit after 6, but we're moving. But yes, get out there and vote, you guys. Comment down below if you've been to like long lines in your city where you're voting. Let me know down below. I'll check back with y'all later. Bye. Alright guys, not too bad. I voted. Not too bad. Make sure you guys go out and vote. Like I said, it matters. But I will see you guys next time. You guys, I have not been picking up this camera for vlogging this week. It's been a busy week at work, okay? And so your girl wasn't thinking about vlogging. Oh, this stuff is all on my hand. But I just wanted to check in since I just finished filming a video. You guys will see that video before this vlog. My Sephora VIB sale recommendations and wish list. Comment down below, did you participate this year? What did you get? What do you like? What's new? Let us know, girl. But I just wanted to check in. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope everything is going well and going your way. And yeah, I just want to check in. This makeup, I'm not feeling it because, sweetie, these masks have been tearing me up when I'm trying to be cute and wear makeup. So, and the only time I'm wearing makeup for real when I'm wearing a mask is if I have somewhere to go, like an actual event. So this is ridiculous. Like, anywho. So yes, that's why I didn't pick up the camera. I may just go ahead and continue to vlog throughout Saturday. We'll see. Woo! It is finally Friday and I'm driving home. I just finished getting my nails done. I'm so excited. But I just wanted to check in. It is Friday. I hope everyone went out and voted. So yeah, I will check in with you guys later. I'm just so excited to finish the rest of this workday and enjoy the weekend. So yeah, I'll be back in touch with you guys a little bit later. Happy Saturday, y'all. Y'all probably tired of hearing me say this, but in every clip, I'm tired. It is Saturday morning around 9:15. I got on this elf lip gloss. If you put too much on, it'll get like... Anywho, I am on my way to get my hair done. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get my hair washed. Because if you know, you know, I always do my hair myself. So when I get someone else to do it, it's like a little pampering moment. Especially when it comes to braids. I don't like to do my own braids. It just takes too long when I do my own braids. So I just prefer to let someone else do my braids. So that is what I'm on my way to do. But before we go there, I'm gonna stop at Starbucks, get me a little pick-me-up, my chai tea, and yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. Thought I would check in. I realized that this vlog is gonna be super short, so I figured, you know what, let me just try to vlog as much as I can today on Saturday, so that I can edit it and put it up for you guys on Sunday. So well, let's see, maybe I'll add a couple of clips in from Saturday and Sunday before I go to editing and put it up. But not much this week. I put a couple of clips in there from my friend's wedding, and I could not find the clip of her, the clip that I took of her. But you guys saw the groom and all his groomsmen, and when they came out to the end, it was a traditional wedding. Are they about to put something new over there? They took that subway down. What are they gonna put there? What are they about to put there? So yeah, bruh, this Starbucks line just be too much. Like, I don't even think I want to go. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna go inside. You know what, I don't even got the energy. The way they have this Starbucks set up when you're coming off the intersection and all this other stuff, it's just crazy. I hope it's it has to be a Starbucks where I'm going. The line is way too long on both ends, out and coming in, exit and coming in. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. Anyway, I'm gonna vlog some parts today, maybe tomorrow, and yeah. That just irritated me, the fact that line is that long at 9 something in the morning. Like, can y'all stop going to Starbucks so daggone early? You are not that addicted to coffee. Is it really that serious? Gosh, I can't even get a chai tea. That's all I want. It's a chai tea. Everybody just gotta be in there getting mochas and coffee. Why? That just really irritated me. Anywho, I will see you guys when I get back, or when I get to the hair salon. Jesus Christ. Another one. Period. All right, I got my chai with my almond milk and the pumpkin sauce. So this is a great day. This is what I usually get during this time. This is a hot one. Sometimes I get it iced, and then when it's not the pumpkin season, I'll just get the regular chai. But I'm so excited. It's hot, so we're gonna let that cool off. One lady was trying to like hurry up and park in front of me so she can run into the Starbucks first. Like, sis, you ordered yours on a mobile app. Like, calm down. I didn't order it yet. I have to get in the regular line. What is going on? Jeez. Anywho, now I'm headed to get my hair done. So I will check back in with you guys when I get there. People are hilarious to me. Hilarious, okay? Yeah, I made it to my salon. So I will let you guys know when I'm done. Y'all, I am back with my hair done, and I'm so hype about it, okay? I'm hype. But let me order my food because I'm starving. So, I just like gulped 2 chicken tenders and some fries from Popeyes. I was so hungry. I just had to order my food real quick and grab something along the way. So the day is busy. Apparently, I didn't even know the day was going to be busy. I thought I wasn't going to have much to vlog, but we'll see how the rest of the day goes. It is now 3. I got my watch upside down. Girl, I'm over here trying to do too much while driving. Don't do this. Don't drive and try to do too many things. It is now 3:15. My car clock is 5 minutes fast, so that's why I didn't want to put that time. But y'all, I'm so hype about my hair because it's braided up, it's put away. I don't have to worry about it, okay? So too hype, too hype. But you guys are the first one to see how my hair turned out. Just some simple cornrows. I didn't want the straight back cornrows. I don't like that. I don't like that on me. I don't like that, but to each his own. I decided to get something with a little slant, you know, make it a little girly, you know, do a little something. So that's what it's gonna be. These cornrows. I cannot wait to get rid of this. It actually went down. I used the Glam Glow. I forgot which Glam Glow. The Glam Glow in the white bottle. If you put a little bit of that on your blemish, that thing will be gone. And then I like use the abstraction tool to like just get all the pus out, whatever it was, you know, because I exfoliated, so it pulled out all that stuff. So yeah, I used that, and then it became flat. It is a little red, but I'll get rid of that with my lemon pads. I talked about those in my skincare, or like my skincare favorites. It's the Clean and Clear lemon pads. Make sure you check that video out. But yeah, this is basically all I had to do today, was really get my hair done. So if I end up at a TJ Maxx or something, listen, that's just what I do, okay? When I don't have nothing else to do, I'll do that. But I do have a couple things to do that's not like related to me showing you guys, as far as like creating content off aside from the vlog. So that is something I'm planning on doing as well today. What else? That's basically it. I don't want to bore you guys with me just talking to y'all, but and then okay, so this is gonna be like a little rant. Why are people driving so fast? Where are you going, sis? What's going on? Is it an emergency? Why are everybody driving so fast and just pew through the lanes? Like, why? What is going, like, life is too short for you to be driving crazy like this? Why? Help me understand. Anyway. Yeah, so, like I said, I don't want to bore you guys with me just driving. I am driving to my next destination, home. But if I get into something else, then I will pick up the camera and show you guys. So, I'm so full now, and I only ate 2 chicken strips. It's a cheat meal. You know, usually it's not good to eat like this. But 2 chicken strips and I'm full because I didn't eat anything all day. And I've actually been doing that, like trying to do this intermittent fasting thing and not eat till after 1. I've been doing that, and it's actually cool. It's just a different way of knowing your body and when you're really hungry, when you're not hungry, but you definitely got to stay hydrated. Comment down below if you've tried intermittent fasting. It's where you would carve out a time throughout the day of when you will eat, and carve out a time when you're not going to eat. I'm still like new to it myself, but let me know down below if you've tried intermittent fasting. I break the fast at usually after 1 o'clock, so I don't eat anything before 1 p.m. and I stop at 8 p.m. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, now I'm rambling, so I'll catch you guys when I do something else. Bye. So I realized we're gonna check out Old Navy. I was driving past Old Navy and they having a store-wide sale. Love a good sale. Late in the midnight hour, God's gonna turn it around and around and around and around and around. Happy Sunday, you guys. So I ain't doing nothing. It's gloomy out today. It's raining. But I just wanted to come on here and close out this vlog. I know that this vlog is so short, but stay tuned for the upcoming ones because it's about to go down on this trip I've been talking about. So I'm super excited about that. So I will let you guys know about that vlog, but make sure your post notification bells are turned on so you won't miss this week's upload. I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I try to put a vlog out on Sundays. But comment down below also some videos or topics that you guys want me to talk about. I think I want to start doing a series here where I'm discussing different topics while doing makeup, just to incorporate that makeup aspect, but also connecting and engaging with you guys, because you guys really, really, truly, I really do appreciate each and every one of you for, you know, constantly watching my videos and engaging down below. That matters to me. So yes, that's basically it. Today is Sunday, and I'm gonna close out the vlog here, and yeah, I'll see you guys throughout the week, and I'll try to keep you guys posted on what's going on throughout this week. I hope you had a great Sunday. I hope you had a great day, and just have a great week going forward. You know, don't let any negativity or anyone doubt you and put you down. You got this, girl. You are a boss. You're beautiful. You're intelligent, you know. So that is just some encouragement I wanted to just shed on you. But definitely, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.